Hey, welcome to Joe's Baby-Friendly Recipes channel. Today I'm gonna share with you some baby-friendly biscuits with coconut flakes that can also be used for cheesecake with fruit topping. For this, you need 125 melted butter, 80 grams of olive oil, 350 grams of flour, 40 grams of coconut flakes and 40 grams of nuts. You mix the oil with the butter and separately you mix the flour with the nuts and the coconut flakes. After this, you add the butter with the oil in the composition and mix them together. After everything is well mixed, you cover it with the plastic foil. You put it in the fridge and you leave it for 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, you take the composition out from the fridge, you remove the plastic foil and you split the composition in small pieces. Now you press them with a fork and you put them in the preheated oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Now let's get them out of the oven. Put them on a plate and enjoy them. Subscribe to Joe's Baby-Friendly Recipes channel for more useful videos. Turn on notification and spread the word. Bye!